It is almost summer. Welcome back to Do It on a Dime. I've got some incredible deals from Dollar Tree. We are saving hundreds today. You don't go anywhere. Oh my gosh, this trick is about to change your life. We're gonna start out saving $115 right here with these sunglasses. Now you probably know that the Dollar Tree carries sunglasses, but what you might not know is they have a Ray-Bans dupe. Check this out.
And the best news, all stores have sunglasses, so you don't have to worry about not being able to find this product. These are UV protectant and they are polarized. Look how similar they are to the Ray-Ban version.
This is an awesome score. Oh, they have it in pink and white. I think I like the white.
I want to show you my two favorites, the black and the tortoise shell. Now I went on the Ray-Ban website so I could do the virtual try-on experience. These are the Ray-Ban glasses and look how similar they are to the Dollar Tree version. Honestly, I could not tell the difference and I saved $155. Get you that little clip for your car. You're just gonna sit on these sunglasses anyway. I know you, but you don't have to feel guilty because they were only $1.
Have I got a hack for you? I want you to grab some denture fizzy tablets. Even if you don't wear dentures, my goodness, check this out.
This tip is old school, but it works. In a small bucket, I got this from Dollar Tree, it's a little trash can. Drop 4 of the denture tablets and you can use this to clean smelly shoes. This is one of those tricks that's been around for years in magazines, your grandma probably taught you, but it really does work. I've also seen people use denture tablets to whiten their clothes. Cleaning your shoes is important though, and just make sure after you do this that you rinse them out. They're going to smell a little fresh, almost a little bit minty, and then just dry this in the sun. Our family was really impressed with this trick and we definitely do it again. Dollar Tree also sells nice name brand shoelaces if you need a replacement pair.
Man, have I got a hack for you. Come down the glassware section and you can grab one of these little shakers. This one does not have the holes in the lid. We're gonna find the ones with the holes on the lid and you can use these as odor eliminators.
You could put baking soda in here. I also really like the Unstoppables if you want to stick this in a room to give it some freshness. Now the ones without the holes in it, definitely add your spices to these. It fits a tall McCormick spice container perfectly. And we're gonna come back to that cinnamon container. Don't you go anywhere. I've got one of my favorite hacks. Look at these 2 new organizing products, this little shower caddy and this giant tote. I love this color and this organizer.
These drawer dividers are awesome and they have the new larger size. I love how they're a flexible plastic. Come here, check this out. They also brought back these snap close lids, which I really, really like. They're just so easy to work with. They have these for underneath of sinks. You can store your craft supplies in here. Sky's the limit. In my last video, I asked the question, how tall do you think I am? A lot of people guessed 5'10". Only 2 people got it right. I am 5'9.5".
But if you're a sweet half pint, you definitely want to pick up this little grabber. These are awesome. We have a tiny powder room, y'all. I use this to get my toilet paper down off of the door and store it on a Dollar Tree hook. Game changer. Our powder room is really small, and this was a space that I made over, giving it a really pretty navy look. And if you're anything like me and into the simple DIYs, if you remember this one, I'm using a Dollar Tree mop and a canvas to create some pretty art for the bathroom space, then you definitely want to stay tuned for this. These professional multi-purpose gloves are now at Dollar Tree. These retail for $7 to $8 at the hardware store. I use these for all of my stripping projects, sanding as well. They work super great. Be sure to stay tuned for all of the fun and simple DIYs I have coming up. And after all that, I'm hungry.
A few things to keep your eyes peeled for are the name brand Snyder's pretzels. This bag is a great deal. They also have protein powders. There are a couple of different varieties. This one I really like. This is the Boost Protein Power. It's a lot cheaper as compared to Amazon.
I can't wait for you to try this and let me know what you think. You're gonna take some quick oats and add 1 of these protein powders to it, 1/3 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix this up and sit overnight in your fridge. This overnight oats recipe is delicious, packed with protein and low cal. I have to know if your Dollar Tree has this super coffee. This is a rare find for $1.25. There's only 70 calories in this and 10 grams of protein. It is so good and I really enjoy drinking this in my Dollar Tree mug. The name brand beverages are on point right now.
We just got back from a vacation. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that my family and I went to Mexico and we fell in love with the guava fruit. Oh my goodness, they have guava nectar here. This is a really, really great deal and it's awesome in smoothies. When it comes to spa products, there are a ton of hidden gems. Let me show you how to shop. And first, I want to take you to the Freeman Beauty Supply. All right, check this out. They have this cleansing mask and clay scrub. They also have this ultra healing clay mask. Both of these are $5 each at CVS. They even have these grapefruit sheet masks. These are $1.97 at Walmart, so at $1.25, another great price.
One of the weirder things I have in my house, but I'm so grateful for, is a mini fridge in my bathroom. I know this seems excessive, but if you put all of your sheet masks in there, your clay masks, oh my goodness, it feels so good when you put them on. And by the way, Dollar Tree carries a Power Stick brand body wash, shampoo, and conditioner that is sulfate free for $3. That is incredible savings. And my Dollar Tree cashier said this was one of their biggest sellers right now, these Star Wars Disney brand bath bombs. They come out in rainbow colors as soon as you put them in the tub. My kids love these. At checkout, don't forget to pick up these Pond's Makeup Remover Wipes. This is a fabulous score. They also have claw clips that are a really great deal at $1.25.
I have this thing. Don't get too close because I have this thing. I love pore strips. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you a pore strip person? They also have facial extractors here, which I really like. They have tons of hair wraps, which are super cute. I love this. They have these scrunchies, but I think some of my favorites are the bath confetti and these white jade gua sha facial rollers.
These are such high quality and made of stone. I love them.
They even have these vibrating facial massagers. Super excited to see this. And look at this. They have hot cold eye pads. These are gorgeous and just $1.25. In the beauty section, there's two things I want you to look for. And the first are these boxes that are black and white. This looks like a not name brand, but when you look on the bottom, this is actually Maybelline lip color. They have tons of options. Stay away from the B Color brand as well as the LA Colors. That one isn't good.
They have Power Stick name brand shaving gel. They have Monkey Gunk, which is up to $10 at Walmart, and tons of name brands. If you get down low and start looking, you will see items you didn't realize that the Dollar Tree had that Walmart is selling for way more, including these Ardell eyelashes. Y'all know those are like $7.
Are you enjoying this video? Leave it a big thumbs up and a comment down below. That helps bring it to more people just like you. The beach theme is back, and hello Pottery Barn. Look at this. I love these lanterns. If you buy nothing else, this is a super chic find. Buy 3 of these and get some sand from the Dollar Tree. You're gonna put the sand in the bottom of these and you can make little hurricane candles. These are beautiful on a back patio. Nobody's gonna know you got it from the Dollar Tree. These jute balls are also really channeling a high-end store. No on the gnomes. I'm finally unsold on a gnome. I mean, scuba gnome. He's flamingo scuba gnome. That's saying something. Huh, this is actually really cool. It's so fun. This is so unnecessary, but so fun. Oh, these are really cute. They have like these really pretty glasses. It's cute. This is a killer deal. Look at these stake lights. They're so pretty, gorgeous lanterns. This is so much savings even compared to Dollar General. They also have these sunflower ones, they have flower ones, and they even have pretty butterfly ones. Which is your favorite? Leave me a comment below.
I was really impressed with these solar stake lights, especially because they have a higher end look. And they also had twinkle lights in a longer strand. And what I love about these, my friends, is they're on a timer and they have tons of different options. And the number of times you click it, it allows you to change the type of lights and the amount of time that they're on. It's awesome.
My friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon. The Mother's Day items are super fun. And I'm going to go back here. What's up, Charlie? We got everyone in the van. Hold on. Oops.